If you ask me if an agency should considering a partnership with Chernobyl, I would say go for it. For us, it has been a game changer in feed management and optimization, and we highly recommend it.
I would advise the partner program because it will give you like an edge, knowing when are the newest features coming, having direct training from a specialized person in the team.
The main competitive advantage I'd see in being a partner is, of course, you get a big support. So you have a designated client success manager, which you can really ask, really talk about features, talk about betters, talk about new clients that you want to onboard. On the other hand, of course, the main advantage is that you get a strategic partnership with a tool. In our case, which we are really a fan of, I can sell them something that I believe in and that I really think makes their work, their project, their performance in the end better.